Hey guys, welcome to my channel. That record deal is coming. I got the talent. Okay. For the record, I've been taping this little whole intro here for a while now, and I just realized I had lipstick on my tooth, which was still there now, so I'm not gonna film it again. This is just gonna have to do because these lights, these lamps, it's getting hot in here. So take off all your clothes. Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm in a silly mood, guys. But anyway, I'm coming at you guys today with another cool video. Yes, and today's video, I am creating this gorgeous makeup look using Deck of Scarlet. Deck of Scarlet is a makeup subscription service where you get a palette every 3 months. And today I'm using edition number 10. Now it's really cool if you're into makeup and stuff like me because you have a whole collection and you always have something to turn to. And the cool thing about Deck of Scarlet is also that their palettes cover your entire face. Let me just show you. For instance, we got 2 lip shades and the other side has the eyeshadows, 3 eyeshadows, and then we got a blush and a highlighter, so we can make this look just using this palette. So if you want to see how I created this look, stay tuned. So I hope you guys like my videos. Subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment, give this video a thumbs up. You guys know the drill. Check me out on social media. All the details of all the makeup I'm using in this video will be in the comments below. And that's it. Oh, and if you get bored, just check out my blog, bffwithkimberlycaines.com, and it'll keep you busy and entertained for a little while. I hope you guys like this look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start this tutorial by priming my face with the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. And I'm just gonna apply that all over my skin. To prep my eyelids, I'm going to apply the Put a Lid on It Eyelid Primer from the Balm Cosmetics. And a little trick for you, I put that on top of my eyelids and also below my eyelids, so it can get rid of all those little fine lines that tell everyone that you haven't slept enough. And then for my eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil number 6. To carve out my brows, I'm using the Rimmel Match Perfection Concealer, and this one is in the shade medium, and I'm just working that underneath my brows and kind of cleaning them up as I go. On my skin, I'm using the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Foundation in the shade Caramel. And don't mind my beauty blender because it's dirty and it desperately needs washing. Do not copy that, guys. Use a clean beauty blender. Underneath my eyes, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Honey. And I'm using that same beauty blender to work it into my skin. I seriously need to wash my beauty blender or use a different one. I have many of them. I don't know why I use this one, but disregard that. Your girl is not perfect. And to set everything, I'm using the Clinique Loose Powder number 4. Which is also nice and light on your skin and makes it look semi-natural. And now we're getting to the good part, guys, because now we're going to go to the eyes. Yes, and we're going to use that gorgeous Deck of Scarlet palette, starting with the shade Vibes. And we're going to apply that all over our lid. Basically, it's just going to form a nice little base for the remaining colors to blend into. The next color we're going to use is called Balm. And we're going to apply that in our crease. And we're going to focus on the outer part of the crease mostly. That's where you want the darker shade to be. So just blend it, blend, 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 blend. After that, in the center of our eye, we're going to use the shade Zia. We're just going to pack that on in the center of the eye. So you want to use a dabbing motion more than a sweeping, wiping motion, because you really want that color to stand out. And then in the inner corner of our eye, we're going to apply the shade Literally, which is really a highlighting color, but it works just fine on your eyes. So works for me. And the same thing on your other eye, of course. And continue blending it so it blends and flows with the other shades. The Deck of Scarlet palette also came with an eyeliner. It's the long-lasting liquid liner, and that's the liner that I'm using in this video, and it worked so well. As you can see, it's really, really black, which I love. And I'm just making a very modest wing. It's not a very thick wing, but for this video, I really want the eyeshadow to show, so I'm not gonna, hide it underneath a thick wing. So I'm just making a little wing. On our lashes, we are going to apply the Volumazing mascara from Revlon. And if you're thinking you didn't curl your eyelashes, you're absolutely right. Your girl was lazy, so I did not curl them, but I'm wearing falsies on top of it, so you won't be able to tell. And these are the Ardell Soft Touch lashes. And underneath the eye, I'm applying the black eyeliner from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm keeping the lips kind of neutral, going in with the shade Shambles, which is also from the Deck of Scarlet palette. And on my cheeks, I'm applying the Deck of Scarlet blush in the shade Bay. I love these names. They're so fun. And it's hard to believe that I created this whole look using just that palette. The eye color, the lip color, it just flows beautifully. Well, guys, this is the final look. We got the beautiful eyes, the lips, the cheeks. It works. I hope you guys like this video. Stick around for more. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you stay tuned for my bloopers. Well,